Today I'm going to make a paper box. Let's see what are the materials we're going to use for the craft. Glitter paper, square paper, scissors and a pencil. Take a square paper, fold it into a half like a triangle. Then fold it in the other side. Then open the paper. Again fold it like this. Like this over here. Make it like a diamond shape. This square, take this edge and put it in the middle. Same, repeat it like here. Open the paper. This line, take this edge and put over here. This line here. Like this. Same over here. And over here. Then keep it like this. Over here. And again fold it. Take it and fold it in this line. I hope you can see it. And the same here. Leave a little gap so it don't touch each other over here. Then over here you see a line here. Take it and put it like, see, over here. See? And same over here. See? Oh, like this. Do it very tightly. Then fold it. Take this edge and keep in this line over here, here, here and here. Over here. And this over here. Let it be sharp in these sides. And fold it like this. See, it came very perfectly. Repeat it like this over here. This line, yeah, here. Take it and keep it over here. And this over. Same very tightly. And fold it. And again like this. And again here. Our paper box is ready. Paper, glitter square paper, and I drawn a heart here. Just traced it and cut it like this. See, blue color heart. Now cut this line. I know you can't see the line, but ta-da! We have decorated the box very nicely. We can open, close, favorite box. If you want it like this, you can like this heart one or this one. Our paper box is ready. You know, you can put some things inside like your ring, anything. And thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.